Big box, small box, banking, gas stations, hospitality, restaurant, or specialty retail, First Priority Maintenance should be your choice for all of your facility maintenance needs. With each of your company's facilities, you need maintenance management to go much further than just day-to-day. While services like floor care, janitorial, landscaping, and parking lot maintenance can all be scheduled, you also need to be prepared to handle emergency and reactionary work like snow removal, HVAC repair, or plumbing. First Priority Maintenance is strategically positioned to offer your company a single service or an entire array of services for your facilities. So what makes First Priority Maintenance different than the rest? We become actual operational and strategic partners. Our clients are at the core of our business model. Our business relationship with your company is one of the most important components, along with helping to remove complicated and budget-draining activities from your to-do list. Whether your company has hundreds or even thousands of facilities, we seamlessly integrate our organization and professionals. Our in-house software platform, core suite of technology tools, industry experience, and extensive vendor network help us empower all clients. While empowering our clients through our comprehensive service solutions, we provide a streamlined approach to help improve your bottom line. Consolidated spend, contract consistency, and efficient operational administration allow us to help provide cost predictability, which in turn helps create much more efficient decision-making. How does First Priority Maintenance separate itself from the competition, you might ask? By taking a full lifecycle management approach. Our web and mobile technology platform allows us to provide a complete end-to-end service solution. The data and analytics generated are monitored carefully to allow us to continuously make improvements and provide visibility in real time. Our vendors are able to receive service requests and complete them through simply using our platform on their mobile phones. They arrive on site, check in, and check out once the service is completed. FPM will notify the site managers of job completion, and they can immediately rate the service. Real-time feedback allows us to make adjustments to guarantee that you receive the best possible service each time. We make sure managing your facilities is easy and efficient. Placing your facility's maintenance needs with First Priority Maintenance guarantees that you'll be able to focus on your most important business initiatives. First Priority Maintenance, driving business forward through technology.